What's up guys, this is Alex. Today I'm going to unbox my monitor. I bought it from Korea, and then this is a 27-inch monitor from QNIX. It's a 1440p monitor. Okay, let's start to unbox it. Okay, come with a power adapter, power cable, audio cable, and a DVI cable. Okay, let's put it aside. Oh, nice one. Have a tilt function. Okay, let's see the connection. Okay, come with a Displayport, VGA port, and then the DVI port, HDMI port, and the audio port, and the power point. Okay, so this is it guys. So we will test it out later. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. So, goodbye. Adios.